Hi computer scientists, Mr. Stafford here, and today I'm going to be showing you Unit 3 Lesson 5, Storing Objects into an Array. The first level that we come to says review the program and try to predict the output, run the program to see the result, then debug the error. So take an opportunity now, take the moment now, pause the video, take a look at the program, and then predict what will be printed out. I'm now going to go ahead and run this program so we can see the error and then debug it from here. So I'm seeing in my instruments Java 7, so on line 7, incompatible types. Instrument cannot be converted to a guitar, guitar solo, new instrument. So the error is here. And so my tip to you is to read it from right to left to see if it makes grammatical sense. And are all instruments guitars? That's not true. Not all instruments are a guitar. They can be other things. So one way to fix this is guitar, solo guitar equals new guitar. And so we'll want to initialize it as a guitar. So I'm going to stop this and run it. And what it does is it rolls through a for loop going through the guitars array. And plays the or runs the play method on each of the indexes, each of the elements in that guitars array. So the first one says I don't make any sounds, and then it says I make guitar sounds, I make guitar sounds, and I make guitar sounds. Okay. Finish that level. Our next level is asking us to go to character story and create an animal array called animals, storing at least 5 animal objects in the show friends method. So I'm going to go to character story and go all the way to show friends. And it says use the following image and sound files for each animal. So we have the option to make a chicken, a cow, an elephant, a horse, a monkey, a pig, a sheep, and a tiger. And then it shows you the constructor. So it says public animal, string image file, string sound file. Okay, so when you're making an animal, that's the order in which the constructor is written. You'll need an image file and a sound file. So I'm just going to go in order of creating animals to put into my animal array. So the first one is going to be a chicken. CH equals new chicken. And so I don't misspell anything, I'm going to copy the image and the sound file. Next animal is going to be a cow. Cow, COW equals new cow. Copy the cow image and the sound file. Next is an elephant. New elephant. Copying its image and sound file. Horse. Horse H equals new horse. Copy the image and the sound file. And my last animal will be a monkey. M equals new monkey. And there we go. Okay, and the directions ask me to put those into an animal array. So I'm going to say animal and then animal array. I think that's the name that it wanted me to do. Create an animal array called animals. So animals. And then I'm going to initialize it with all of my animals. So my chicken was CH, my cow was cow, my elephant was E, my horse was H, and my monkey was M. Okay, I think that was it for this one. So I'm going to tip finish. Let's run it just to make sure that I don't have any issues. We couldn't compile. I had an illegal initializer for animals. So I need to go. Oh, it needs to be an animal array. What I forgot were my 2 hard brackets. I'm going to stop and run this so that it knows that it's an animal array. Perfect. Okay, no errors now. Okay, so it says time to animate the scene. In character story, so I'm going to go back to character story, loop through your array of animal objects in your show friends method. In each iteration of the loop, okay, so what we need to do is show the friends and loop through the array of animals to display each animal. Okay, so what I like to do is a for loop. So I'm going to do for int I equals 0, and then I is going to be less than animals.length and I plus plus. Open that curly brace, and then it says display the image of your character's home. Play the animal's sound by calling the speak, and show the animals by calling the show. So what we need to do is for this step 1, display your character's home. Okay. So what we're going to do here is myStage.drawImage character home at position 0, 0, and then I'm going to do myStage.getWidth and myStage.getHeight. And I don't want this to be rotated, so I'm going to go comma 0 and end the semicolon. Okay. Now we're going to need to call the speak method and the show method on each of the animals. So I'm going to talk to the animals array at index I, because I is our variable that is changing in this loop, dot speak, and animals at position I dot show. Okay. And testing it in our concert, so it says in my concert test your show friends method by commenting the call to play concert and adding the following. So I'm going to comment out show favorite foods, and I'm going to do my concert dot show friends and run this. And wait for it to pop up with our animals. And I see I've got a chicken. I've got my cow. My elephant, my horse, and finally it should show monkey, and it does. And that's all for lesson 5.